Hello guys, and today what we're going to be doing is you need a fork, a paper towel, and Skittles, and a microwave. So what we are going to do is I'm going to show you what happens when Skittles are in the microwave. And I already put a Skittle in the microwave, so that should technically explode, like that, just like goo, the candy inside will goo out of it. And but what you need to do first is you need a Skittle, and I already have one in the microwave. I never warmed it up yet, but what you'll need to do is you'll need to crack like a crack in it, one crack. And then I'll show you guys what the crack would look like. If you never had Skittles before, you should try them because they're really good. And then there's the crack. And then I'm gonna bring you guys over to the microwave to show you what happens. So it's already in the microwave. I don't know if you can see, but it's in there. Now I'm gonna put it in for 1 minute, because that's as how long it takes. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it is cracking, and which is really cool. Can you guys see it or not? I don't know if you can. But I'll show you what it looks like when it is finished. There's only 30 seconds left on the clock. But yeah, this is a cool experiment. And try to put Skittles in water. It actually works. But you have to leave it in for at least 5 or 10 minutes. And the thing's gonna go off, so I'll tell you about that after. So grab your fork, and if it hasn't exploded yet, like if the goo hasn't come out yet, put it back in for 1 more minute. And then I'll tell you guys what you have to do, what I was talking to you guys about. Put Skittles in water. It might not work at first, but you need like a spoon, and then stir it up. There's gonna be the chemicals from the Skittles at the bottom, and then once you stir it up, it'll come rising up, and the water would taste kind of like Skittles. I tried that this morning, and it worked. At first, I thought this never worked, and I was like, well, I guess it did, because I stirred it around. Okay, right now it is bubbling. Guys, that's okay. You gotta take your fork now, because I have to do this. Oh, sorry guys. And you gotta do this really fast. Oh. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like when it is done. So it will crack by itself. It'll make a few cracks of its own. And it'll be hot, so make sure you pick it up with your fork. And this is an example of what it might look like. And it'll come out differently every time. You shouldn't put it in for low. I don't recommend putting it in for 2 minutes, but 1 minute and would be good. So this is what it would look like after, and that's what happens when you put the Skittles in the microwave. And this is a really cool experiment too. It won't make a mess, but you have to pick it up fast before it goes all over the place and sticks in the microwave. So you have to do it really fast and pick it up. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Hey, it fell off again. But you cannot eat these because it is warm and you don't want to burn your tongue, and also because it is hard and it'll get in your teeth. Most Skittles don't get in your teeth, so don't eat this. If you want to, you can eat it. It's not my choice, but they look really cool and finished once they're done. And it just broke. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll try to do another experiment. I did an experiment by myself, but my brother, I can't talk to you guys about anything, can I? We were doing this experiment about like drawing on your chin and like covering your eyes and your nose and then the rest of your body, and then you talk just normally, and it looks hilarious. So if you haven't checked that video out, it's called Funny Face, and it's hilarious.